So, what's your process when like testing out new recipes?
Yeah, I mean that's a good question. We get a lot of input from a lot of people, especially family. We actually going to be announcing an advisory board pretty soon, up in the next couple of months. And so, and those individuals that have helped us as well. We actually have an R&D team, so we go through a very rigorous process of making sure that while we want these dishes to scale up, we want to try to keep them as homely as possible. And so that's the trick, right? And so our R&D team has been really good to us over the last couple of years in making that process work well.
And I'd also say if you see a man peddling Ayo samples around Minneapolis, like that's my dad. He takes them to all the local restaurants and mom and pop stores. And so that's our other like sniff test too. And so, and I mean, it's been wonderful to get that feedback from people who are in this space day in and out. But, that's usually our step number one in our recipe development is like, does it pass the test of all these incredible Liberian restaurants in the Twin Cities.
If her dad says no, then it's off the shelf. So he's our first go-to.
Well, we also do this thing. It's kind of funny. Like we'll put a sample out and let him try it, and then if he goes back for a second, we're like, oh yeah, we got it.